Just a quick update on the Polar Express layout as it stands right now. We've got the two trains running today, the freight train and the passenger train. Down at the corner we have the North Pole scene with figures of Santa Claus, the elves, the three children from the story, and the hobo all standing by the Christmas tree, which is flashing and working quite well. The water tower, water tank is in place approximately where it's going to go. There'll be a little bit more adjusting to do with that as we finally get the switches back from Lionel one of these days and lay the track down permanently. The other lights are illuminated, as you can see. We've got the pickup truck there, and we've got the stake bed truck beyond at the other end with some workers loading pallets. On the little downtown street area, we've added a couple of things. We've got manhole covers in a couple of places along the street, and we've got parking meters along the curb. Some of you may recall having to feed the meter. That's what is happening there. In the far corner, got the lady digging for change in her purse as she stands by the phone booth. Another little blast from the past. And then we've got the back side of the stores where we have the stake bed truck sitting there, probably unloading some beer for the Sully's Tavern. And we've got over here on the barrel loading platform, got the green pickup truck there. There's two lights on the barrel loading platform, and you can see the attendant coming out to kick a barrel down the ramp when the train comes in. The back side of the IGA store is lit and illuminated, and that's working. We've got lights on in the Hero Boys house. Got street lights on all the way around the layout, and we've got a few trees sitting around. We're not sure exactly where we're going to put those yet, but for now this is where they're sitting. Polar Express has got a pretty good consist there. Combination car, observation deck car in the back. There's a dining car, hot chocolate car, passenger car. There's a baggage car towards the front. There's the Lost Toys car there, hot chocolate car there, you can see. And then we've got likewise a pretty good consist behind the freight train as well. Quite a few cars in that assemblage. Stores downtown are all illuminated, looking good. Post office has got a floodlight on the flag. Harrison's Hardware's lit up. Sully's Tavern's lit up in the front. The IGA store is lit up in the front. We've got the depot lit up and the boarding platform lit up. So everything's coming along. Quite a few more things planned in the next couple of weeks. One is to reposition all of the wiring for the Just Plug lighting system from Woodland Scenics. That is how the buildings and several other things are illuminated. So we've got kind of a rat's nest going on here in two different places, and I'm going to relocate all of those, one on each end, one panel on each end, make them a little bit more organized. But that's where we are right now. We've got good progress all the way around, and we're continuing to work on the build. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.